Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'm happy to share with you how to make Pinkaso. It's one of Ghana's most favorite street food snack, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So for this recipe I'm using 2 cups of plain flour, and to it I'll add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix it well to combine. Next I will cut 2 medium white onions and also some spring onions. And also I'll be cutting 1 large Scotch bonnet pepper, which is optional, and you can also decide to take it out if you don't like it spicy. And please, if you have been watching me for a while and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share so you get notification anytime I post any recipe. And to all my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate everything. Thank you. So I'll go ahead and blend the onion. I'll now add it to the flour and mix well to combine. I've also rinsed the blender and I've added about 1 cup of water to the flour. So I'll now cover it and let it sit for an hour to rise. Next I'm adding in about ½ a cup of the spring onions. And please, if the mixture is too runny, you can also add a little bit of the flour to make it a bit thicker. Next I've heated my oil and I'll start scooping the mixture into the hot oil. And also the oil have to become hot before you start scooping the mixture inside. So I'll be frying it on a medium heat for about 5 minutes until it's golden brown. And this is a very simple snack which can be enjoyed with Hausa cocoa, and it can also be eaten by itself. It tastes so delicious and crunchy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying this recipe. So at this point it's nice and crunchy and golden brown, so I'll now remove it and set it aside and continue with the rest until it's all done. It's crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this recipe. And also you can check out my other recipes if you haven't got the chance to watch them. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.